So, after having my pedestrian accident, I had to basically reteach myself things that I already knew. So, at this age, to say that it was difficult to go back and relearn a lot of things that you already learned, that you already know, is a little bit more than challenging because you're not able to quite recall the things that you know, but you're not delivering what you know. So then you end up having to go back and relearn what you already know so you can deliver it in a way that people can understand your story, so you can communicate better, at least for myself. So when I came across this email this morning where you're developing your storytelling skills, I jumped to this. I clicked on it as quick as I could and wanted to learn a little bit more as to how to improve my storytelling skills. Because at this age, not only are there quite a few stories that need to be told, but I think that it's also an educational skill to have in storytelling in general. So it's a plus that it's also a free course that's offered through Harvard Business. And the HBR management tip of the week: quick and practical management advice to help you do your job better. So we're going to read this real quick. So it says, develop your storytelling skills. Every leader knows storytelling can be a powerful tool, but what kinds of narratives are most effective? That depends on what you're trying to achieve. Here are 3 types of stories you can use and when to use them. Trust stories harmonize you as a leader. When you demonstrate vulnerability by sharing a personal story, others will be inspired to reciprocate, creating a virtuous circle of trust. Teaching stories allow you to simplify complex topics by providing easy-to-follow models for behavior and skills, while a trust story is built around you. A teaching story can also be indirective narrative, using someone else's story, fictional one, or a parable to deliver your message. Just make sure your audience can identify and empathize with the protagonist so that they want the same thing for themselves. Action stories inspire people to do something. With these, you want to leave the audience thinking, if we do this, and then insert the desired action here, then we will get the desired results. So entrepreneurs can use action stories to launch new business ideas. Senior leaders might use them to inspire organizational change. And then it says, read the article 5 Types of Stories Leaders Need to Tell by Nick Westergaard. What's your leadership origin story? To learn more. So this is a pretty interesting topic that I would like to do a little bit more research on and improve my skills of storytelling. It's like this redness this morning in the clouds. And that's the moon that you're looking at. It's absolutely beautiful. And you can actually kind of see the hint of pink.
Exercise for any place at any time. Then make a note of any
special
activities you may.
Okay, so this entire week, as I was doing my fasting, I was preparing my garlic type of soup, which I usually use like a broth, and then I put the garlic in it. And so although I'm fasting, I did eat the peeled garlic, and it is organic. And I also had the cinnamon peels and water. So I did that purposely to keep the skin nice and clear, because I did have an allergic reaction from wearing the mask without a clay mask underneath the cloth mask. So it irritated my skin, and I wanted something to kind of help heal my skin a little bit faster and resolve that irritation from wearing the face mask. So I ate a lot of garlic broth type soup during my fasting. I didn't drink a lot of water. I just poured the water to make the broth soup with the garlic. And I just wanted to share that with you because there are plenty of benefits of eating the garlic. And I wanted to share that with you just in case you want to try it yourself. And I'm just giving you a picture of the brand that I use, which is an organic brand. You can find it at any of your local grocery stores.